In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a Canva page. Resizing in Canva is really helpful when you've already designed something and then realize you need it in a different size, like turning a poster into an Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail without starting completely from scratch. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find the resize option and how to use it confidently. First, open the design you want to adjust inside Canva. Make sure the design is fully loaded and visible in the editor, so you can see your canvas in the middle and the toolbar across the top. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct project, because any changes you make to the size will affect the entire layout. Now, look toward the top of the Canva editor. Along the top bar, you'll see options such as File, a title for your design, and various buttons on the right-hand side, like Share and possibly Download. Among these options, there is a button labeled Resize. This is the key tool you'll be using. Click on the Resize button. When you do, a panel will open where you can choose new dimensions for your page. Here, you can either type in custom dimensions or select from Canva's list of preset sizes, such as common social media formats, documents, and presentations. If you know the exact width and height you need, enter those values in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters, depending on your project requirements. Make sure the units are correct before you apply the change. Once your desired size is entered or selected, you'll usually see two main options. You can resize the current design, or in some cases, you might have the option to copy and resize, which creates a new version at the new size. Choosing to resize the current design will alter the existing file. If you want to keep the original as a backup, create a copy before resizing or choose the option that duplicates it. After resizing, take a moment to review your layout. Elements might shift slightly, so adjust text, images, and graphics to fit the new dimensions neatly. Zoom in and out to check that nothing is cut off and everything looks balanced. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the resize button and choosing the right dimensions, you can quickly adapt your Canva page to whatever format you need.